Yeah. Woo. Yeah, we back at it again with another little vlog. Black Beauty, what's going on? Regal, what's going on? Hell Rose, what's going on? Finna hit this road. Gotta shoot down here to PSL, man, to go get my brother car from up underneath the damn tree, man. It's freezing cold, 45 degrees in Florida. I don't know what the hell Florida got going on, boy, but Florida need a real snap bike. Get this trailer hooked up. I gotta move the 15 hump. That OBS thing, gotta move that OBS thing from in front of the trailer. I had to go have brunch this morning with my grandma, man. Get a little coffee with my sister, dog. When I wake up, I got that big thing back there towing, man. Even out my hood, man. Even out my hood. I love Apple Road. I gotta buy me some property out here, man. Old stomping grounds, man. I was raised out here, boy. I gotta give me some property out here in my hood, man. It's only right. It's only right, man. This your hood, but you don't know property out here? What? Got to, dog. Hey, man, you gonna pay for my damn car wash today, dog.
Shout out to Slate Rock, man. What's up, man?
What happened, man?
Man,
Look,
we got
dog.
motion today, man.
What's the motion, man?
Move this car. Car towed from my brother right here.
Okay.
We finna slide through Fort Hill.
Okay. Think you can fit on there?
Yeah, I can fit on there, man. I'm a G-body, man.
Okay.
Probably gonna be from here. Probably right here, man.
Okay. Okay. Y'all heard what you said. You're a G-body, man. No. Let's go up here and go fuck Bob, man. You gonna switch clothes, man? That's how you going? I thought I was a Haitian, man. This man really dressed like a Haitian today, boy. Yeah, if not, I mean, I got a recovery rope. Oh, for real, bro. I thought I was the Haitian, boy. This man got on black and brown.
Black go with everything. Black go with anything.
Oh, God.
I'm probably finna swing it in the grass.
Oh, come on, Mr. Truck Driver. Bro, do this bit every day for a living, dog. Nah, you good? Come on. I don't think that chain gonna be long enough.
You back up.
Nah, you still gotta put the ramps out.
Oh.
What?
He done told me to sit up for 10 this up. Ready?
Woo.
Somebody
Somebody just took a nice little chunk. I love seeing them when they in this state here, boy. Regal Limited. Limited, yeah. All right, man. Whew. Got that bit low-key kind of lined up. It's cold as hell out here, man. I had to push it from all the way back here. Got everything lined up on each side. Put that recovery belt somewhere up underneath there. We're gonna start pulling, man. Watch out, man. You don't want your Cuban to fade, dog.
This ain't gonna fade. This ain't gonna fade. This ain't gonna fade.
Hey, man, start that shit, dog.
I can scratch it up.
Try to tell you, boy, getting that good old salt from the body on there, know? Good salt on the body, you know?
I can take a shower with mine.
Out here working in these Cuban links like real Florida niggas. Good shit, got that popped off. Recovery. Where the hell I put my other glove at? Shit, me neither, dog. That bitch somewhere around here. So now we gotta find somewhere up underneath the hood to be able to tie it from. All right, man, get your ass out of the.
Hey, man, hold the hood.
Hit your baby before they bit fall on you.
Ain't climbing out the hood like a jug.
Don't crack the top of the fiberglass piece. All right, step one done.
Yeah, you owe me.
The stick. Boy, that's gonna be the most memorable part of this damn car, dog. That damn stick. That damn stick. That should be good like that. I hope nobody in at home watching us on YouTube like, bitch, we ain't doing what we supposed to goddamn do. Like, we around here fucking some shit up. Man, let us know, man. We up underneath the tree, man. Let us know if we doing this right, nah? Boy, Lord knows, boy, if that was that 1500, boy, we would have still been stuck back there. Try that bit in low gear 4x4, man, and pulled it right on up there.
It's up, man. Hey, man.
Listen, man, if y'all see the car scrapped like this, listen. We had to do it this way just for right now. It's not scrapped the correct way, but we just scrapped it just for right now.
Hey, man, if I fall through a trunk, man, y'all just laugh at me. Just laugh at me.
Woo!
Don't worry. The motor ain't in it.
We finna get this bit right, dog.
Get it prepped.
Y'all see it, man. It's what to sit there and waiting on. God damn, what that bitch say? Regal limited. Oh, that. Finna get that bit to the crib, see what we got going on. You already know, man. We got a buzz down video coming soon. Be prepared, dog. Just sit tight. Sit tight. Your dash look damn good, dog.
Yeah, that bit look good. I might don't even mess with it right now. Hey,
we bring the rig around here. You feel me? We bless it in the front of the high.
They on another motherfucking shit. I mean, what they goddamn ass. But I'm gonna tell you. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute.
What that is? 87 that you drinking?
87.
Little 87 that you drinking?
But anyway,
Uh-huh.
I can finna kick this bitch ass.
Golly,
I got something I'm finna put together. Right there across the street. Right there over there across the street.
Okay.
To the Boogerman house.
To the boogeyman house.
Okay. But boy, when that bitch come back out like a Boogerman, that bitch ain't gonna move. That bitch ain't gonna move. Just like you ain't gonna move. With that red motherfucker,
Bob,
man.
man.
Need a paint job.
Hold on, man. Let me go out here. Hey, Bob, it look. Hold on, man. I gotta go to the road real quick. Cause the last time that I checked, I was a man around here.
You mess around.
Last time that I checked, I was the man around here.
You mess around. See, I can snap the paint off your ass.
Oh.
But see now, I fuck around and go around the block and hit that motherfucker down there. Down yonder. And come through here and snap the paint off that pretty red motherfucker right there. And see that motherfucker right there? See how it's looking? That motherfucking truck gonna be looking like that. I don't have the bill.
Oh no, Bob, boy, that's a grown man up underneath there now.
That's all right. That Durango don't run for That Durango don't run for Let me show you what I got.
What you got for me? Some 87?
Boy, let me tell
Some
you
mosquito
what
spray?
Boy, when I get in that damn Durango, a big red. Watch this. Listen. That motherfucking turbo, nigga. When I hit that bitch, that motherfucker know the sign of it. That bitch straight up
We might
and drop.
go crank up the lawnmower, get you 4 tires, go get some road spray, and you can just sit there and blow like you blowing that.
Nigga, while you talking that shit, you already got to get the roaches and the rat shit out of that motherfucker right there.
That's all right.
Come on, that motherfucker over here trying to look like Frankenstein. That's all right. You can put that bitch up and put some clothes on it. But that motherfucker got an ass woman coming too. Right over there across the street right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's what little folks be.
Who in Fort Bill got the 7 tray out, man? Who got that 7 tray out? Boy, oh. That man call yacht, man. What you gonna do, man? That man call yacht, man. You see that aluminum gas tank, everything up underneath there, boy.
You know what? I put me again that bitch right there. And snap the hood up out that depth sitting right there. And I put that 305 in it. And put me again that rat in with a 2-barrel. I'll fuck a motherfucker ass up. With a motherfucking 2-barrel.
We still gonna drag you, Bob.
I have did it.
We gonna drag you, Bob.
Motherfucking street. Motherfucker had to put nitrous on their shit to whoop that El Camino ass.
We gonna drag you, Bob.
They had to put goddamn nitrous on.
They had the spray. They had the spray ball. You was on all motor. They had the spray
with a 2-barrel.
Woo.
Hell, I made an old white boy sell this shit.
He ain't lying now, y'all. He ain't lying now, y'all.
I made a white boy sell this shit with a 2-barrel. Hell yeah, 2-barrel with a. He had a 4-barrel Grand Prix. I had a 2-barrel Nova. Took him over there on T. They holler, look at Bobby down there doing all that smoking. When that motherfucker 2-barrel with the 2, I done already shipped the bitch. The motherfucker said, I ain't ready yet. That motherfucker kept holding that damn low gear. When that big ship, that motherfucker said, I ain't know where that ying coming from. But that motherfucker stood up and started riding. Went by that motherfucker cracker. Next thing running down the road. Get where my money? Where my money? Bitch, I won that.
Yo, it's been a long day. Got the Regal in the back of the trailer, man. I'm headed to the bro house right now. So I'm going ahead and drop this thing off. I'm gonna put it inside the garage, give y'all one final walk around. I gotta hurry up and get a winch on my trailer, man. I went to Home Depot last night to try to see if I could find one. Couldn't find one. They say that they don't have them in the stores. You gotta go, like, I guess online. They had it online when I looked. 12,000, I guess, pound resistant one with the steel rope, with the steel cable, I guess, not rope, but cable. And I had to order it. So, little recovery rope that I do have, a scrap, whatever you want to call it. It came in handy, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That bit came in handy, dog. So, I'm always keep that. Bro, goddamn, but it's you? Why you give me this special bed? Ooh, Brown got that 2-tone pearl going on. Ooh. Ooh, and he put the orange pearl up there. Boy, that's what I'm talking about, Brown. Ooh. Then that bit fade back to a different color. Man, Brown, dog, I'm jealous, dog. Damn, man, you could have did me one now, Brown. Anyway, man, bro, laid. That bit tucked in his new home, man. No more sleeping outside. He ain't come up with no name for it, is he yet? No name?
Porn Star Jack.
What? There's no Porn Star Jack. Porn Star Jacket, man.
Call that bitch Keisha. My dad love watch porn. That nigga nasty, boy.
Damn, man. Sprayed and laid by Brown. Boy, I see you, dog. Anyway, man, bro gonna get this bit right. I'm damn sure get a bit right, man. You don't want to stand in front of them, you gonna talk your shit, dog, for the camera, man?
I don't want to talk no more, man. We just got to spend a little money.
What that is over there, boy? What?
Nah, you can't show that though.
What that is over there, boy?
She covered up. We take her clothes off. Yeah, what boss?
All right, y'all.
But my shit so clean, the Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.